Hi, DJ Rap here. Let's talk about Operator Part 5 in under a minute.
Sometimes people feel that there are tuning issues with Operator, and the Spectrum is a great tool for this because you can always see, if I pull one up here, at any given time, you can see where your bass line is. So if I hover my mouse here, it's going to tell me what the notes are. So one way you could do this is to bring a grand piano patch and just tune your sounds until they actually match the piano. Another thing that can be helpful to tune Operator is a frequency shifter. Here you've got the tuning by hertz, fine tuning. You can also add an LFO to this, rate, the usual things that you're seeing here. By now, you know what these mean. These buttons toggle between phase and spin. You've got hertz, subdivisions of time. Your LFO can be applied here, your shapes. These parameters here switch you between frequency shifting and ring modulation. And you've got some drive that you can add if you want to as well.